symbol. All right? It's a symbol. It's like this wedding ring. I can take my wedding ring off and I'm still married. But my wedding ring needs to stay on. I challenge all of our men to keep their wedding rings on. It reminds other ladies that you're taken. This is a symbol that reminds us that Sarah has been taken by the greatest groom of all time, Jesus Christ. So, this is her dad, Brendan.
So Sarah, you made a commitment to ask Jesus to be king of you. And with all the power that you have, you commit to follow him with everything you've got in you, with everything he gives you. All right. It is my pleasure to baptize you in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and the Holy Spirit.